Hello everyone. This time we will discuss about correlation, the 4 types of correlation. Please don't forget to subscribe on my channel.
What is correlation? Correlation reflects the dynamic quality of the relationship between two variables. So this allows us to understand whether the variables tend to move in the same or opposite direction. In this numerical index that reflects the linear relationship between two variables, this correlation ranges from -1 to +1. 4 types of correlation and their corresponding relationship between these variables. So what happened to variable x, what happened to variable y, what type of correlation, the value, and the specific example. So first, x increases in value while y increases in value. This is a direct or positive relationship. The value here from 0 to +1. Example, the more time you spend studying, the higher your test score will be. So your x increases, same with y. Second, x decreases in value and y decreases in value. This is a direct or positive correlation. This ranges from 0 to +1. Example, the less money you deposit in the bank, the less interest you will earn. So the two variables here decreases. Third, x increases in value while y decreases in value. This is an indirect correlation. This ranges from -1 to 0. Example, the more you exercise, the less you will weigh. Fourth, we have x decreases in value while y increases in value. This is an indirect or negative correlation. This ranges from -1 to 0. Example, the less time you take to complete the test, the more you get wrong. So we have here the Pearson product moment correlation formula. R is equal to n times the summation of xy minus the summation of x times the summation of y divided by the square root of n times the summation of x squared minus the quantity summation of x squared multiplied by the quantity n times summation of y squared minus summation of the quantity y squared. So we have here the an example of the given data set, the variable x, and then for y. So we have for the x, we have 2, 4, 5, 6, 4, 7, 8, 5, 6, and 7. Whereas for y, we have 3, 2, 6, 5, 3, 6, 5, 4, 4, and 5. Then you are going to square the variable x. So we have 2 squared, 4. 4 squared 16, 5 squared 25, 6 squared 36, 4 squared 16, 7 49, 8 64, 5 25, 6 36, 7 squared 49. Then you square the variable y. So 3 squared 9, 2 squared 4, 6 squared 36, 5 squared 25, 3 squared 9, 6 squared 36, 5 squared 25, 4 squared 16, then 5 squared 25. Then multiply x times y. So 2 times 3, 6, 4 times 2, 8, 5 times 6, 30. We have 6 times 5, 30, 4 times 3, 12, 7 times 6, 42, 8 times 5, 40, 5 times 4, 20, 6 times 4, 24, 7 times 5, 35. And there are 10 data set given. Summation of your total x here is 54, whereas summation of your y, 43. Summation of your x squared, 320. Summation of your y squared, 201. Summation of your x times y is 247. Then you are going to solve now, substitute in the formula n times summation of xy minus summation of x times summation of y divided by the square root of the quantity n times summation of x squared minus the quantity summation of x squared multiplied by n times the summation of y squared minus the quantity summation of y squared. So we have here r is equal to 10, number of data set, times 247. This is the summation of x times y, minus summation of x, 54, summation of y, 43, divided by the square root of 10, number of data set. Summation of your x squared is 320, minus summation of your x squared is 54 squared, times 10 times 201. This is the summation of y squared, minus the summation of y, which is 43 squared. Then you come up the r, which is 0.69. And then after that, you will interpret the result using this range. We have here the interpreting a correlation coefficient. From 0 to 0.2, no relationship. From 0.2 to 0.4, weak relationship. From 0.4 to 0.6, moderate relationship. 0.6 to 0.8, strong. 0.8 to 1, a very strong relationship. So as we recall, the R here is 0.69. This is strong relationship. So this is an example of how you're going to solve a correlation Pearson product moment R.
We hope that you found this video helpful. If you have any questions, please leave that in the comments below. You can recommend a topic to discuss in the future. Please watch my other math tutorial and don't forget to subscribe on my channel.